You're in the middle of something. A photo, a letter, a bit of research, and then it pops up. That little button. Upgrade now. Glowing at you like it knows something you don't. And a small voice in your head goes, "Wait, am I missing out? Should I be paying for this?" Here's the honest answer from a channel that spent 20 episodes showing you the free way to do everything. Probably not. And today, I'll show you exactly how to be sure. Hey there. Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, still the AI version of me. And if you're new here, that's Sam, our stand-in for all of us, nodding along and occasionally going, "Huh?" So, here's what you'll walk away with. A simple, three-question way to know whether it's finally worth paying, or whether the free version already has you completely covered. For most of you, it does. Let's make sure. Now, here's the thing that's changed. Not long ago, the free versions of these tools were, let's say, a polite little demo. That's over. Today, the free tiers are genuinely powerful. On the big three, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, you can now do the vast majority of everyday things without paying a cent. Writing, summarizing, planning, answering questions, even making images and music. A lot of what used to be locked behind Pro quietly became free. So the old question, is the paid one better, is the wrong question. The right question is much narrower, and it's the whole secret to this decision. Because each tool still locks one or two things. And here's what's fascinating. They lock different things. So I asked each one, point blank, what do I need to pay for? Watch what they told me. ChatGPT keeps its custom GPTs, those little tailor-made assistants, and its most powerful model behind the paywall. Gemini gives away a stunning amount for free, but ask it to make a video, and there's your wall. And Claude hands you almost everything, but keeps its deep research mode and its top model for paying users. See the pattern. Free isn't less. Free is almost everything, minus one specialty. So the whole decision shrinks to a single question. Is that one locked thing something you actually need often? There's one more wall you'll probably meet before any of those, and it's usually images. Free image making is capped per day. Watch. I'll make a few. And there it is. You're out of image creations for now. Not broken, just the free limit doing its job. When most people slam into a limit and think, right, I need to pay, they don't. They just haven't learned the free tool yet. Paying to go over the limit is like buying a bigger suitcase because yours won't close, when the real problem is that you packed 6 hair dryers. So, 3 honest signs you've genuinely outgrown free. 1, you keep hitting the wall, not once, constantly, waiting or bump to a weaker version in the middle of real work most days. 2, there's a specific locked feature you'd use often. You actually want to make videos every week, or build custom assistants, or run deep research reports. Not that sounds cool. I need that Tuesday. And 3, you use it daily for work, where an hour saved is worth more than the monthly cost. If that's you, great. Paying is a smart move. But if it's not, then the free version has you covered. And that's most people. If you're using AI a few times a week, casually, and you're not slamming into that wall, you don't need to pay. Not yet. Maybe not ever. There's no prize for paying early. But say you do want to try paid for one busy month. Do it the smart way. Pick 1 month, throw your heaviest work at it, and decide. And before you worry about being trapped, you're not. You can cancel anytime, and you keep access until the end of the period you already paid for. On Claude, for example, it's right there. Your profile, settings, billing, scroll down, cancel. Two quick things to keep your eyes open for. One, those tempting low prices are often introductory. They jump after a few months, so check the after that number. And two, paid doesn't always mean ad-free anymore. Some cheaper paid tiers still show ads. Always read before you tap. I've put all of this on a free one-page cheat sheet. The 3 signs you've outgrown free, plus how to trial and cancel safely. Links in the description. Save it to your phone so it's there the next time that upgrade button starts glowing. So, the recap. The free tiers now do almost everything. Each tool locks just one specialty, so only pay if that one thing is something you truly use. And when in doubt, the honest answer is you're probably fine on free. If this saved you even one subscription you didn't need, do me a favor and subscribe. It helps more everyday folks find us. And tell me in the comments, which free tool are you leaning on most right now? ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude? If you want to squeeze more out of the free version before you ever consider paying, that video's right there. See you in the next one.